Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. There is another video. I guarantee you don't know about it. So let's say just jump into Google Chrome. So there is just type iPhone wallpapers, for example, and just scroll it down. As you can see, there is plenty of wallpapers. Just click on that images, and then whatever you want to save. For example, let's suppose just you want to save a couple of them to your photo gallery. For example, just hold the pictures and scroll down and then add another one, for example like this, and that one, and you like that one too, and scroll down more apple, and that's beautiful. So actually that's the new one. So let's see more, scroll down, and that one too. For example, 11 pictures you want to just scroll and save in your Apple gallery. And I think so we can select more, just scroll down, there is Apple one. Oh, that's the sunlight as well. So you can go ahead and tap on other wallpapers, add. As you can see, that's make a little bit difference, and then you can just press home button and press in the photos, and you can see, so you can just drop there. So that's the all the pictures you can see in your galleries. So anything you want to just do, and that's not the best quality, it has quality but nonetheless. What you can also do is click down one of these gallery inside for more just previously, and that's the hack.